Okay, I wanted to show, please again, forgive my house. My house is trashed. I am cleaning it. So, but I wanted to show this task that I've trained. I'm trying to get him to respond even if he's sleeping, you know, to wake up and alert. So we've been working on this one, alerting. He alerts to many different things, but this is one of them, which is fast breathing. So it's going to sound like crazy breathing, but again, it's training. So eventually I'm hoping that he responds to fast breathing that's not so obvious. So this is how I've trained it. So I've got a coffee table in front of me with a bunch of dishes. So it's hard for him to get in this space right here. But this is how I've trained it. He got up on the couch. That's not how I trained it. Off. Off. Good boy. That's how I trained it. Nope. There's a cat right there. No wonder he got up on the couch. Good boy. You can't see him. He's up on my lap like this. Off the ground. Up on my lap. So he made a mistake the first time. That's dog training for you. Good boy. Good job. So I pet him to reward him. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Off. No. No. Off. Off the couch. Place. He wants to get up on the couch really bad. Stop scratching. Quit. Quit. Alright, I'm going to end this. Maybe I'll do one more. I wanted to show him out of a sleep position. But that's, he did it not like I trained it. So maybe one more. Good boy. Thank you. Thank you. He's up on the couch like that. Thank you. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, off. Off. Place. Good boy.